Hello and welcome back. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I've got another review for you. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this Mixa Sensitive Skin Expert Cream. Now, I've already reviewed the Mixa Skin Brightening, the Skin Brightening Cream with niacinamide. Yeah, if you've not seen that, you can check it out. I've pinned it to the first comment and you'll find it in the description box as well. So, is this good? Is it not? How does it go? This claims to be a hydrating cream. And this is how it comes in, is the color blue. So the brightening cream is the color yellow. Yeah, I mean, they have different ranges and every one of them has got a certain color. So this is the blue mixer. Yeah. So as you can see, this is a thick cream. Look at this, upside down, but it's not, falling out. It's very, very thick. I wanted to review this because I wanted to compare it to CeraVe and Cetaphil. Now, CeraVe and Cetaphil are very, expensive. I wouldn't say they are hypes. I mean, they are good products, but then they are on the expensive side. This one costs about 10 euros for a 400 ml cream. CeraVe or Cetaphil costs about 20 or 25 euros. Yeah, where I live. It is expensive for a hydration or a cream which doesn't claim to do any miracle, which doesn't get rid of pigmentation or something which doesn't heal. Okay, it's just a basic hydration cream. So if you're looking for something like CeraVe or Cetaphil and you don't want to spend a lot, like, this is a good idea. I wouldn't say it is better, but it's on par with it. Okay, it's on par with CeraVe and Cetaphil. So as you can see, this doesn't have any scents. Okay, so if you're allergic to scents, if you don't like flavors, if you don't like fragrances, this is a good one for you. Very, very neutral. You can't smell anything, no matter how hard you try to get a scent out of this. You can't smell anything. It's very good for those of you who are sensitive to smell. And you can see very, very thick, very, very thick, and it drops easily. Yeah, very hydrating. If you are somebody with chapped, dry skin, especially during the winter, you need to get your skin hydrated. This is great. Like, look at that, look at that. My hands are super, super dry. Like, they get super dry. So these kind of hydration products are very, very good. It claims it can be used for the face, for the body, and the hands as well. And it is true, especially the hands. It hydrates my hands. Good for your face. If you have dry face, dry body, you can use it. This contains 10% glycerin. It contains squalane, and it contains ceramide. So yeah, great for hydration and trapping in the moisture. So with this, when I use this in the morning, by evening time, it still feels hydrated. My skin feels hydrated. It's not the kind of cream you have to reapply and reapply to keep the hydration. You use it in the morning and you still feel hydrated in the evening, and your skin feels more elastic. So this Mixa Ceramide Protect Cream is ideal for super dry skin. It's great for hydration. It doesn't claim to do any miracle. If you're looking for hydrating lotion, especially during the cold seasons, this is a great option and you need to give it a try. So if you don't want to pay a lot of money, like if you don't want to pay twice the price for CeraVe or Cetaphil, you can give this a try. You can give this a try and you are going to thank me later. So yes, I'll give this a 9 out of 10 and it is a super, super pass mark. All right, guys, so have you ever tried this? Are you thinking of trying it? Are you thinking of replacing your CeraVe or Cetaphil with this? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.